Get your teeth into something to supersize and grow your business. What's it going to be? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with a ridiculous type of ring pop lollipop for kids. Uh, my granddaughter got it, I think, last summer for uh, a gift from one of her aunts, which I think she's way too little for. It practically chokes me, so I can't imagine how she would play with it. But I'm sure she would have fun trying. Anyway, I borrowed it for today's video because it's got awesome teeth. Look at that smile. Who doesn't love a smile like that? Not sure about the lip piercing, but the smile's pretty awesome. So today's idiom is one that I've, of course, heard of, and I'm trying to think if I've used it or not. Probably not so much. Maybe I've said sink your teeth into something like a good steak or a yummy caramel, but not so much get your teeth into something in the meaning of this particular idiom. It means to do or to deal with something with energy and enthusiasm, to be excited about dealing with something. So my question for you today is, what are you excited about dealing with or initiating or doing next year as you build and grow and supersize your business? Don't give away any trade secrets, but share something that you're truly excited about. Maybe you're excited about something that's going on in the world or in the economy or in the environment that will help benefit your business. You're excited about participating in it. Maybe it's partnering with someone new. Maybe it's adding somebody new to your organization. Whatever it is, just something that you're excited about, share it in the comments below so we can get inspired and help one another to be excited about next year and growing and building and supersizing our business. This idiom has been around, of course, for as long as things have had teeth, meaning the dinosaur age and probably before that. But it didn't really come into being in English until Dorothy Sayers' Mystery Gaudy Night in 1935. So in America, that's when we started using it as an idiom and an expression for describing something different than what the words themselves mean. That's what an idiom is. So curious, what are you going to sink your teeth into next year? What are you going to get your teeth into? To me, they're both the same thing. It means to just enthusiastically go for something. And I think if we're excited about supersizing and growing our business, other people will be excited about it as well. That's it. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Any questions? Hit me up.